How to do a clean installation of Windows 11. If you are considering a fresh start with your computer, a clean installation of Windows 11 could be just what you need. This process wipes everything from your target drive and installs a brand new copy of the operating system. It is perfect for upgrading from an older version of Windows, fixing persistent issues, or setting up a new device. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you will need to prepare your installation media. Head over to Microsoft's website and download the official Windows 11 installation media creation tool. With a USB flash drive that has at least 8 GB of storage, you can use this tool to create a bootable drive. Keep in mind that this will erase all data on the USB drive, so make sure it is empty. Next, it is essential to back up any important files. Since a clean installation will delete everything on the installation drive, save your important documents, photos, and other files to another device or cloud storage. Now, insert the USB flash drive into the computer where you want to install Windows 11. Restart the computer and enter the BIOS, or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface settings. This usually involves pressing keys like F2, Delete, or Escape during startup. You will need to change the boot order to prioritize the USB drive. After saving your changes, exit the BIOS, or Unified Extensible Firmware Interface. Your computer will now boot from the USB and load the Windows 11 installer. You will be prompted to choose your language, time, and keyboard preferences. Once you have made your selections, click Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it when prompted. If your computer has a valid Windows 11 license embedded in its Unified Extensible Firmware Interface firmware, it will activate automatically. You can also skip this step and activate later. Next, accept the license terms and choose Custom. Install Windows Only Advanced to perform a clean installation. You will see a list of partitions on your drive. To remove old data and system files, delete all existing partitions. This will leave you with an allocated space. Select this unallocated space and click Next. Windows will create the necessary partitions automatically. Remember, Windows 11 requires Unified Extensible Firmware Interface boot mode, which uses the GID partition table partition style. If your disk is not set to GID partition table, the installer will convert it or prompt you to do so. As Windows copies files and installs features, this process can take some time, and your computer may restart several times. After the installation is complete, you will need to configure your Windows 11 settings. This includes setting your region, keyboard layout, and network preferences. You can choose to sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account. Once you have completed the initial setup, Windows 11 will often automatically install many hardware drivers. For the best performance, manually download and install the latest drivers for your motherboard, graphics card, and other hardware from the manufacturer's website. Finally, run Windows Update to get the latest security patches and feature updates. A clean installation of Windows 11 is an excellent way to ensure your system runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you are upgrading from an older version or setting up a new device, following these steps will help you achieve a fresh start with your operating system.